Hey everyone! If your Windows desktop looks boring and outdated, don't worry. Without wasting time, I'll show you how to customize Windows desktop to look more cool and attractive. Let's transform the overall look. Open Microsoft Store and click on Windows Themes. Download any theme you like, minimal, dark, anime, aesthetic, anyone you like, and apply it. Now your PC actually feels alive. Second one is the taskbar. For this, download an app called TranslucentTB from Microsoft Store. Once installed, just open it. We're going to make it fully transparent, which gives a premium look. And here, your taskbar becomes transparent. Now it blends perfectly with your wallpaper and gives a minimal aesthetic vibe. Now let's upgrade something people ignore: your mouse cursor. For this, search for custom cursor and download it, because inside the application you'll find something amazing. Here you'll find all the material and cursor themes. You can directly add hundreds of more cursor material and themes from this web. Just click on Add, and it will be in your application. Select any cursor theme you like to add in your application, and it will be in your app. Here you will find all categories of mouse cursor. Just select them one by one and make your favorite collection. If I show you something new or interesting, show some support by liking and subscribing my channel.